Omote Gyaku, second part. Here we're going to be looking at recoils. When my training partner strikes, he's not going to make the mistake of leaving the strike extended. So again, we want to make sure that in his position, we go back to the Daken Kihon, or the striking basics, and we make sure that our strike's correct. Don't come off balance by leaning forward. Don't extend your arm so that it's completely straight and you're risking hyperextension. Make sure that when you come in and strike, you're striking with your hips, you're striking with the correct posture of your body and correct alignment in your bones, and strike powerfully. Okay? So this technique, again, any one of your kamae. He comes in and he does his strike. I receive. Now let's recall on the last one, coming in and slapping and capturing the hand is important, but now he's not leaving the hand out here for me to do my technique on. He strikes, he realizes that I moved out of the way, and he recoils. So if I'm slow, I do my movement, he does a strike, he's pulling it back, and now I don't have it. So, again, my goal is to attach to his energy. And move in with him. Done from the opposite side. The second version of this technique now is no different with him. He's going to strike and recoil, but I'm now going to attack his opposite hand. Done a little bit differently. Okay, so let's just look a little closer at that. There's a little bit more freedom here in the Te Waza. Please don't stick to kata on this. He strikes. I do my movement once or twice, however you choose to receive. But my goal here is as he recoils back, I'm attacking this opening, continuing through with the use of Omote Gyaku. And that's it. This completes the Te Waza of Omote Gyaku.